Okay, today we're going to be doing a very simple cartoon of a cow's head. So we're going to start off with one circle here. That doesn't have to be a perfect circle. It doesn't intend to be a perfect circle. And we're going to do a bigger circle right under it. Almost looks like a big 8. There we go. On this side, we're going to do two like half moon shapes. There we go. Working in the bottom there. And we're going to do a big smile here at the bottom. Up here, we're just going to draw a couple of simple eyes. And a couple of simple ears right here. And of course, cows got to have some horns. So they're very short little horns. Don't even point them at the top, just like that. There we go. And you got the basic shape of the cow's head. So all we got to do now is go in with our pen and fill them in. I'm going to start with this bottom circle here and get this part done. There we go. And then we're going to finish his nose. Little openings here. I'm going to make them a little smaller than what my pencil was, but we're going to keep it close. Fill those in. And we're going to give him his nice big smile. And I'm going to give him the lower lip too. And just for the heck of it, I'm going to throw some teeth in here. So I'm just going to put some little lines in. There you go. A little bit of a lower lip. And let's get those eyes done. Leave a little bit of white in the middle of the eye. A little reflected light there. There we go. Let's get this circle here done. We'll get the ears in. Again, let's put in the inner part of the ear. Get those horns finished. And there you have it. You've got a cow. I think I'm just going to do a little bit of extra around the eyes there. Maybe give them some eyebrows. Fill those in. And there you have it. We're done. We have ourselves a cow. Just have to erase those pencil lines and you are good to go. Hey, we'll see you again.